Okay, and this guy, we're going to tape this up so no weather gets into this connection. It's a sealed connection, but we're just double protecting all this stuff. I'm going to wrap the tape around here. I'm using Scotch 33 Plus, the world's greatest tape. And we're going to cut this off right about here. Okay, wrap it around so there's no gold showing. We want to make sure that connection is sealed within the tape. Then we're going to get some tie wraps and we're going to tie wrap this wire up. Now the handlebars are turned all the way to the left, so we know how long this wire needs to be so that you can turn without putting any force on this wire. So we'll probably end up tie wrapping this wire back. Okay, now that we got our tie wraps all in place, we're going to go ahead and cut these guys off. I'm just using a pair of Dyke side cutters here. Trying not to cut any wires, that would be bad. I'm pulling that one a little bit, get it out, cut it, and cut this one, and that one. Road view's done. There you go. We'll have to adjust it some when we get it plugged in and turned on, but it's going to go right there. And we'll adjust it down some and then tighten up these two screws right here. These two lock screws have to be tightened up or the camera will just kind of flop around. But that's pretty much it on the road view camera. Okay, so this wire right here, it comes down here. You can see my finger. It's tracing back, going back along this edge here, coming up. We also have the power cable in here now. These two cables are going inside, right through this little grommet here. And then the backup camera, if you look down here, this wire right here is for the backup camera. So we got three wires coming in here now. We've got power wire, which is this guy right here. We've got two camera wires now, front and rear. They're right here. It's going to plug into the DVR. And the next step that what we're going to do is we're going to do the microphone next. Microphone and GPS.